Alright, good morning everybody. It's day 2. I slept in. It's 8:51. It's cool outside. I'm gonna make breakfast and get going with the day. So we're trying to get some breakfast going. So I'm picking up some dead wood off the lake or beach or whatever. It's cold night, so we used a lot of wood. So hopefully this will make do until we go get some more somewhere. Alright, cooking breakfast. Laura's really cooking breakfast. I'm just the cheese grabber. Grabbing the cheese. As they say, it's a saying. How do you feel about the cheese grabbing?
I'm exhausted.
What Laura did, she broke her spork. Bro, good boy. Good weight. Good nollie. So what we're doing is we went out to an area where some trees have fallen where you can harvest wood. We're harvesting some wood. We're at a designated campsite. There's not a lot of that. We don't want to pay for any more wood. So Laura's making some sandwiches. And this is actually a dispersed area where you can kind of camp wherever. With everything going on, you can't have fires because there's no designated fire pits. So that's why we're at a actual camp lot. But just getting some firewood right now. And the weather's improved a lot. It's a lot warmer, so this is nice. So while I was making wood, cutting wood, Laura was making sandwiches, bushcraft sandwiches. Delicious.
Organic turkey and provolone.
So just getting set up some firewood. Also gonna do a little bit of flying around with the drone, get some good bird's eye views for you. But you know, this is what we like to do while we're camping, is primarily relaxing, letting the dogs walk around, get some good pictures, some good video. Let's see what Laura's up to.
Bushcraft.
Nice. I started a good little pile over here, I guess, but we'll need way more for tonight because it gets cold. It's 10,000 feet altitude, so it gets cold at night. Let's see what the dogs are up to. What you guys doing? Being good puppies?